Hi, my name is Faith Njekwe and this is my individual project 2 on SoundCloud. So target stakeholder. My target stakeholder is going to be a Go listener. Go listeners have all the features available for free users, along with some additional benefits like ad-free streaming and offline listening. So relevant models for the SRS stakeholder model. The stakeholder model defines relationships, roles, and responsibilities of all stakeholders, including users, artists, advertisers, and developers. The premium user is particularly important as the premium subscription drives revenue and indirectly supports artists via royalties. The stakeholder model also describes how stakeholders are linked to each other, like artists and developers. This is the stakeholder hierarchy diagram. Relevant models for the SRS goal model. The goal model is particularly relevant because it addresses the system's goals of providing an enhanced experience for premium users. Key goals for Go users include usage goals, enhanced personalized recommendations and offline streaming, system goals, seamless and secure user experiences, and business goals. Expansion of paid subscription features which incentivizes Go users to stay subscribed. Relevant requirements for Go users, functional requirements, personal recommendations. The system must offer personalized recommendations based on watch history, offline access, and ad-free listening. Non-functional requirements, availability. The system must maintain 99.9% uptime to provide uninterrupted service. And security. The system must ensure vigorous encryption for personal data. 3 system requirement questions, personalization preferences. How personal should song recommendations be? Would you like to only be recommended songs from your preferred genre or other genres as well? And would you like to discover recommendations so you can discover new music? Offline features. Do you want to download any song or track, or should it be limited to a playlist or an album? Should there be limits to the number of downloads? And premium feature. Do you expect other premium features as part of your subscription? If so, what? My contribution. I was responsible for the system vision diagram, and I was also worked on the non-functional requirements along with another group member. So my strengths. I think my main strengths of my contribution were my team working skills and my ability to take constructive criticism. When a team member asked me to fix the system vision diagram and add more pictures, I did so willingly without complaint, and I made sure all my work was done on time. A weakness of my contribution would be that I'm not the best at making diagrams, so it took me a while to make the system vision diagram. Also, for the non-functional requirements, I struggled to make a table. What was the most difficult part? For me, the most difficult part was the system vision diagram. I didn't know exactly what it was supposed to look like, so I had to do some research of my own and consult the PowerPoints on loop. Then after that, I had to find pictures and I had to take into account my teammates' feedback as well. What is the most useful part of the SRS project? The most important part of the SRS document depends on who you are. For the developers, the most important part of the SRS document would be the functional and non-functional requirements, as they must implement them. However, for business stakeholders, the most important part of the SRS would be the stakeholder or the goal model. In my opinion, the most important part of the SRS document is the goal model. The goal model can highlight current and future goals and give a plan for what the business should focus on. It improves organisation, communication between stakeholders, and also guides development. And it shows business usage and system goals. This is our goal model. What would I do differently next time? If I could do something differently next time, I would try working on something else, like the goal model or stakeholder model, because I'm not the best at diagrams, and it would also be interesting to get to do a different part of the SRS. At the end, thank you.